Hey y'all, we have one more 3D object to talk about, and that is spheres. So what's nice about spheres is there's only one dimension that you need to know in order to find its surface area and its volume. And also it doesn't really have a lateral area since it's round. It's just got an entire surface area. So we have two formulas and one thing to plug in for each of those, and that is the radius. So the radius example here is 3, and we would just plug it in for r for each of these formulas to find surface area and volume. So let's actually do that one. We plug 3 in for r. When we square 3, we get 9 and multiply it by 4. So we could say that this has 36 pi feet squared of surface area, or if we multiply 36 by pi, we get 113 feet squared. Volume is similar. We plug 3 in for r and do 3 cubed. So right now that is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. To multiply by 4/3, we can take 27 and multiply it by 4, then divide that by 3 to get 36 again, and if we multiply by 36 by pi, we get 113. So a little misleading here that they're the same. This time we're given the diameter, so we're going to cut that in half and plug 6 in for the radius to get 144 pi feet squared, or 452.2 feet squared. For the volume, again, we'll plug 6 in for the radius. 6 cubed is 6 times 6 times 6. We'll multiply that by 4 and then divide that by 3 to get 288 pi. When we multiply by pi, we get 904.3. So I want you to pause here and find the surface area and volume for this sphere. So we're given the radius. Our radius is 7, so we're going to plug 7 in for r. Calculate that to be 196 pi, or 615.4 feet squared of surface area. Plug 7 in again for r. 7 cubed is 7 times 7 times 7. Multiply that result by 4. Divide that by 3 to get 457.3 pi, or 1,436 feet cubed. So for the U-Do, I want you to find the surface area and volume of this sphere. I've given you a spot for each on the Google form. Make sure you submit your U-Do answers so that you get 100 for the homework. It only makes sense to get 100 for the homework.